Imagine waking up one day to find that your bank account has ballooned overnight. Maybe it's from a lottery win, a sudden inheritance, or a business windfall. At first, the feeling is exhilarating. Waves of relief and excitement wash over you. You're finally free to live life on your terms. The world is your oyster, and endless opportunities seem to unfold before you. But let's pause for a moment. What happens next? This pivotal question has haunted countless individuals who've gone from rags to riches, only to find themselves worse off than where they started. Stories abound of sudden wealth leading to reckless spending, poor decisions, and eventual ruin. Why does this happen? Because wealth, without direction and strategy, can quickly transform from a blessing into a curse. If you've recently come into a fortune or dream of doing so, this is your call to adventure. Wealth is a tool, not a solution to all of life's problems. The choices you make in the weeks and months after acquiring wealth can shape your entire future. Will you let it empower you to build a life of abundance and purpose? Or will it derail you, leading to fleeting glory and regret? This video is here to guide you. By following these 13 essential steps, you can ensure your newfound wealth becomes a stepping stone to a prosperous, fulfilling life. Here's how to transform your fortune into a force for good. 13 things to do if you get rich. All of a sudden. 1. Take a breath. The initial shock of sudden wealth can be overwhelming. Avoid making impulsive decisions. Give yourself time to process this life-changing event. Remember, haste often leads to mistakes. 2. Consult a financial advisor. The first person you should contact is a qualified financial advisor or wealth manager. They'll help you organize your finances, create a long-term plan, and ensure your wealth lasts. 3. Pay off debts. Before indulging in luxury purchases, focus on clearing outstanding debts. Eliminating financial burdens provides a clean slate and peace of mind. 4. Set a budget. Wealth doesn't make you immune to financial discipline. Establishing a budget ensures you sustain your lifestyle without falling into reckless spending patterns. 5. Create an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and even millionaires face financial challenges. Set aside at least 6 to 12 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid, easily accessible account. 6. Invest wisely. Use your wealth to generate more wealth. Educate yourself on diversified investment options like stocks, real estate, and mutual funds. This is how you create financial stability for the future. 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. It's tempting to upgrade everything: cars, houses, vacations, but resist the urge to let your spending rise as your income does. Maintain a lifestyle that aligns with your long-term goals. 8. Keep your circle tight. Sudden wealth often attracts opportunistic individuals. Be cautious about who you trust and avoid sharing financial details indiscriminately. 9. Seek therapy or counseling. Adjusting to newfound wealth can bring emotional and psychological challenges. Therapy can help you navigate this transition while keeping you grounded. 10. Give back thoughtfully. Philanthropy is rewarding, but it's important to set boundaries. Support causes that resonate with you, but don't feel obligated to say yes to every request for financial help. Overcoming temptation. Wealth brings temptations: lavish lifestyles, gambling, risky investments, and extravagant spending. These may provide fleeting pleasure, but can lead to long-term regret. Your newfound fortune will test your discipline and self-control. Resist the urge to splurge. Instead, focus on building stability and purpose. 11th. Build passive income streams. Use your wealth to generate steady income. Explore opportunities like rental properties, dividend-yielding stocks, or even starting a business. Passive income is key to long-term financial security. 12. Secure your legacy. Think beyond your lifetime. Establish a will or trust to ensure your wealth benefits future generations. This step also protects your assets from disputes and legal complications. 13. Prioritize health. With money no longer a stressor, it's time to invest in your physical and mental well being. Focus on fitness, healthy eating, and stress management. Wealth means little without health to enjoy it. A new outlook on life. By now, you've transformed sudden wealth into a sustainable fortune. You've avoided the common pitfalls and created a life that thrives on balance, generosity, and purpose. But your journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. Your story could inspire others. Share your experience to help others navigate their financial windfalls responsibly. Teach them that wealth, when managed wisely, can empower people to live meaningful lives full of opportunity and security. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom, security, and options it provides. Managed well, wealth becomes a tool to live a life of impact, generosity, and fulfillment. So, the next time you imagine waking up to find your bank account overflowing, remember, the choices you make afterward will determine whether that wealth becomes a blessing or a burden. Choose wisely.